Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to review ASUS Prime B550M-A WiFi. The ASUS Prime B550M-A WiFi 2 is an AMD micro-atx motherboard designed for 3rd Gen AMD Ryzen processors. It features PCIe 4.0 support, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, ECC memory support, HDMI 2.1 output, and an RGB header, making it suitable for mainstream and advanced PC builds. Let's see its features. This motherboard offers ultra-fast connectivity with PCIe 4.0 and Wi-Fi 6, along with 3.2 Gen 2 USB ports for high-speed data transfer. It includes comprehensive heat sinks, hybrid fan headers, and the FanExpert 2 utility for optimal cooling. ASUS SX Protection 3 ensures system safety with overcurrent protection, safeguards, and a stainless steel back IVO. Boosted performance is supported by ASUS OptiMem, which optimizes memory trace layout for higher frequencies at lower voltages. The motherboard also delivers next-generation PCIe, Wi-Fi, and LAN features with intuitive software and firmware support. Here, we will talk about customer reviews on Amazon. Users praise its solid build quality, fast connectivity, and reliable performance for gaming and productivity. Many highlight the ease of installation and comprehensive features, while a few note minor compatibility considerations with certain memory modules. Here, we will talk about pros and cons. On the positive side, the ASUS Prime B550M-A WiFi motherboard features built-in Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1, dual M.2 slots with PCIe 4.0 support, compatibility with up to 128 GB RAM, and a compact micro-atx form factor. On the downside, the VRMs can run hot under heavy load, it lacks a rear USB-C port, and there are occasional Wi-Fi or Bluetooth issues. Overall, it is highly regarded as a dependable and feature-rich motherboard for AMD Ryzen builds. That's it, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.